Hi, welcome to another video by Sysadmin Tutorials. I've had a couple of users ask me how to create volume clones on a Netapp storage system. So I thought it would be a good idea to create a video. It's not going to be a long video, just a very short one showing you the basic steps on how to create a volume clone. And to do that, first we must SSH into the storage system. So this is my storage system 192.168.1.103 that I'm using in my lab. I'm just going to be, for demo purposes, logging in as root. So enter my username and password. And if we just do a vol status, I'll show you that I have two volumes set up on here. And the volume that we're going to be cloning today is going to be the VMware_primary. So that volume that exists there was from another tutorial that I created on VMware SRM5. So if you're interested in that, you can head over onto my website, which is just www.sysadmintutorials.com, and you'll find a 10-part tutorial guide on how to set up SRM5. So from here, we've got our volume VMware_primary. So let's just have a look if there's any snapshots that exist on this volume. So I'm just going to do a snap list VMware_primary, and we can see there's one snapshot in there. So this snapshot looks like it's being used by SnapMirror, which is true from our other setup. So we're just going to leave that as is. So what I'm going to do is just type in snap create -v for volume VMware_primary, the name of my volume, and then the name of the snapshot, which will be VMware_primary_snap_clone, and enter. Oh, sorry, there's supposed to be a capital V here. Okay, now if we go back to snap list on our volume again, we'll see that we've created our snapshot here, VMware_primary_snap clone. And so now what we're going to do is we're going to use that snapshot to create our volume clone. So just to add a couple of lines. So to do that, we type in vol clone create. We type in the name of the volume clone. So in this instance, I'm going to be using VMware_primary_vol clone, and we're going to type in -s none. -s is actually for the space reservation. So in this volume I'm going to be using none, and we'll do a -b and the original volume name, VMware primary, and then followed by the snapshot that we created in the previous step. So VMware_primary_snap_clone. Let's press enter on that. Okay, so our volume clone was created successfully. So if I do vol status, you'll see that I've got my cloned volume here, VMware_primary_vol clone online. And this volume you can use as any volume you can mount. If your existing volume had a LUN, had NFS export, you can use this you can use this volume clone as a backup copy or as a testing or whatever you would like to use it for. So that's creating a volume clone. So say for example we wanted to use this to restore some files or boot up a virtual machine in an isolated environment, and we've done our testing, we've done our restoration or whatever we were doing, and we want to remove it. Basically all we do, we take the volume offline. So vol offline and VMware_primary_vol clone. Okay, volume's offline. Then we just destroy it. Sorry, help if I can type destroy properly. Okay, are you sure you want to destroy the volume? Yes. Okay, volume's destroyed. If we do a vol status, you can see the volume's no longer there. The last bit is just to delete the snapshot that we created. So if we do a snap list on VMware underscore primary again, we'll see our snapshot still exists. So we'll just do a snap delete VMware underscore primary, and then which is the name of the volume, and then the name of the snapshot. Here, enter, and your snapshot is deleted. I'll just verify. Yep, that's all gone. So I hope you've enjoyed this quick tutorial, and I hope it helps you to better understand configuring volume clones. So if you're looking for more tutorials, please head on over to my website, www.sysadmintutorials.com, and we'll see you in our next tutorial. Thank you and have a good day. Bye.